Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be creating this soft glam pink makeup look. So yeah, if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. I'm starting off with a Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Essence, and it helps balance skin by boosting hydration. And next I'm applying Johnson's moisturizer. This moisturizer is very much mild and provides that 24-hour hydration and gives that radiant look. I apply it all over my face with my fingers. Then moving on to the primer, I go with the Smashbox Photo Finish Correct Primer. It helps to neutralize redness, and yeah, I place it where I have discolorations. I place it on my under eyes, a side of my mouth and nose, and yeah, these are the places where I have discolorations. And with a fluffy blending brush, I blend it all out. This primer helps to give that smooth base for foundation. For foundation, I'm going with Smashbox Hollow Tinted Moisturizer and Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. I mix these two shades and then blend it with a beauty blender. I use a dabbing motion so that I can get the full coverage. Next, I'm going on with the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This concealer is a full coverage and helps to brighten my under eyes. The shade that I'm using is in medium. Then with the concealer brush, I dab the product, and then the leftover concealer, I apply it for my eyeshadow base as well. Then for eyeshadow, I'm taking this James Charles palette and taking the shade Pinch Me. I blend it with a small blending brush all over my eyelids. Then for a darker shade, I'm taking this shade name Boutique and apply it on my outer crease and then gradually move in the front. Then with a fluffy blending brush, I diffuse the product so that there is no harsh lines. Then for glitter, I take the shade named Sister and apply it with my finger so that I can get the full coverage. For eyeliner, I'm grabbing on with this Josur eyeliner pen. I make a small winged liner first and then gradually move in the front. I usually like to apply thin eyeliners as I have hooded eyes. This helps to enhance my eyes as well. For contour, I'm using this LYS contour stick, and first I apply on the back of my hands and then I apply it with a contour brush. I apply it on my cheekbones, jawline, and a bit on my forehead as well. And yeah, contour helps to define your face. Then with a beauty blender, I diffuse out all the harsh lines. For blush, I'm grabbing on with this Iconic London blush palette and I apply it on the high points of my cheeks. Then I take this Bourjois compact powder and then dab it on my T-zones where I get most oily, and this compact powder helps make your makeup last longer. For mascara, I use this Wonder Beauty mascara and I apply 2 or 3 coats until I get the desired result. I apply it on my upper and lower lashes. For a lipstick, I'm going on with this MAC lipstick in shade A Little Tamed, and I apply a small amount of it and blended it with my finger. For that glossy lips, I'm going on with this Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink lipstick, and this shade name is cheeky. It gives that glossy finish and lasts longer as well. And lastly, I'm using this Milani Make It Last Dewy Setting Spray and finishing my makeup. And yeah, this is the final makeup look. If you guys liked my video, please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I'll be seeing all of you in my next video.